Well, east the Cascades is a strange country found. It's a cache of geology's puzzles. With cliffs and deep canyons as dry as a bone, like a cup from which all has been guzzled. Nobody knew what had silenced the falls or just how the big channels eroded. From up the Spokane to Wenatchee on down to Tri-Cities, its mysteries floated.
Then along came a man named J. Harlan Bretz with a hunch that would heresy trigger. He argued that a flood could have made it all go, but a flood of the scale much bigger. He reckoned the ice from the old scene, old Christ, might have stopped the Clark Forks flow, and the lake that flowed behind of the sizable kind would release when the frozen dam would blow. Old Lake Missoula done got carried away. It drained across the plain in a matter of days. It picked up all that land with a big old watery hand and disappeared as quickly as it came.
Imagine a time when a river of ice made a dam on a regular river. And when it was warm, the dam gave way, and the river behind was delivered. The torrent would flow several hundred feet high, and it scoured, denuded, and slaughtered. Native folk tell of an old ancient myth of rebirth at the hands of such waters.
Imagine a day many thousand years young. The sun blazes down the Grand Coulee, with only the sound of the flowers buzzing round and the summer sun beaming down coolly. Then down from the north comes a dull sounding roar that crescendos as things start to shaking. A great wall of white turns the living to fright, and the fog of the toll that it's taking. Old Lake Missoula done got carried away. It drained across the plain in a matter of days. It picked up all that land with a big old watery hand and disappeared as quickly as it came.